Hello lovely ladies, hope you all are doing great. So today I'll share what to expect immediate after your delivery. What happened even during my pregnancy, I used to read a lot of books about what to eat, what not to eat, what to do, what not to do, but we never think that what is going to happen after delivery. So first thing, I know many new moms to be are very worried because of this tough COVID time, that how their delivery will be. So first thing I'll suggest that choose only maternity hospitals and don't get worried, everything will be fine. And what to expect immediate after delivery is majorly depend on what type of delivery you had. So whether you had a normal delivery or you had a C-section delivery. So normal delivery and C-section have a huge difference. So in normal delivery your stitch is going to hurt a lot. You'll feel tired, exhausted, and fatigued because of all the pushing you had done during delivery. So I had a normal delivery and I used to take very mild painkiller which was suggested by my doctor. And in C-section delivery you will face a lot of abdominal pain because abdominal is the major surgery which is done during C-section delivery. First thing you're gonna face in the morning is abdominal pain. Second is breastfeeding. So the minute his baby is out, every mom think that magically the milk will produce and you're gonna feed your baby. So it is not going to happen. You produce only very limited amount of milk, which is very sufficient to your baby, and that is also magic to your baby. So it takes 2 or 3 days minimum to your body to produce milk. So don't get worried about it, and once the relationship with your body and child is comfortable, then the process is smooth. Just you have to feed your baby continuously. Third is busy days. Of course you're gonna have lot of busy days. You will face all sleepless night, so be prepared for it. What you can do, you can engage yourself with the baby, be active. Active doesn't mean that you have to do all the household work or you have to cook, but what you can do, you can engage yourself with baby, and you can do a 5-minute walk in your home itself. Take your baby in your arm and just roam in your house. So just enjoy that precious time with baby and be happy. And third is emotions. So you're gonna face lot of different type of emotions. So like there are many thoughts came in mind during that time, like what I am doing with myself, whether I am a nice mom or not, whether I am raising my child in a nice manner or not. So these are many thoughts which run through your mind. So there is nothing right and wrong way to raise your child. Don't blame yourself, be happy and enjoy the moment. And next is postpartum depression. Yes, many of us face the postpartum depression. Even I have gone through it. So it is all about negative feelings. You started hating yourself, sometimes you even start hating your child too. So many women even didn't get to know that what they are facing with. What you can do, like you can take help from your better half. That is the best help you can take. Like my husband was very supportive, so it was easy for me to get out of it. So all the fathers out there, I request to take care of your wives at that time. I know it's tough for both the parents, but your wife is going through a lot. So please help your wives. Next is postpartum weight gain. So all of us are worried about our weight gain. So during that time the metabolism of our body is very low, so it takes time to get back in a shape. So give time to your body, and do not less your protein intake, do not less your diet, because you have to feed your baby, you have to take care of yourself, because that is a new birth you have given to yourself too. So don't get much worried about it. It will take time, but take care of your body first. Even I started changing my diet routine after 6 months of delivery, but still I am continuing all the protein rich diet. That is very much mandatory. So I hope that this little bit of information will be somehow helpful to you all. So please take care of yourself. Bye bye.